Weather Watchers, I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Jason Peterson. Let's go ahead and talk about the weather for your Friday evening. Now, looking at the radar right now, as you can see, not a lot going on right now in terms of severe weather. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning up here near Union, and we also do have some thunderstorms over here near Camden, Columbia, and Sumter, and even some rain over here inside Edgefield, Augusta, Barnwell, and Orangeburg as well. Even some thunderstorms over here near Georgetown as well. And we have some showers near Charleston and Manning. If we're going to zoom our way out, we do have a couple of tornado warnings as well over here inside of, right here on the border near Texarkana, Texas, and Arkansas. Here is our winter weather radar. See, we do have some snow starting to form up here near Canada, and some scattered rain showers and downpours up here inside of the northwest and down here in the southwest as well. Severe thunderstorm watches going on from Illinois down into Texas, as well as down here we have excessive heat warnings for southern Texas, as well as over here excessive heat advisories as well. Excessive heat warnings and heat advisory and all that kind of stuff. We also do have some rain over here, obviously in the east. Nothing too much in the northeast, but just up here and also inside the Great Lakes region as well. So active all over the United States. Here's our cloud cover for the next 24 hours. That it is. Oh, there we go. All right. So we do have some heavy cloud cover as well, going from Myrtle Beach, Charleston, just to the north of Columbia, and Augusta, as well as Florence, as well going up into Charlotte, as well. Savannah is also getting some pretty heavy cloud cover as well. So mostly cloudy skies out there today or tonight. Here's our future cloud cover. Go ahead and hit the back button one quick time. And if you go ahead and push this forward, you see that the cloud cover still tries to stay over South Carolina for most of the night. And then as we continue through into tomorrow as well, going into close to tomorrow morning, if not tomorrow morning, some more cloud cover is going to be there by the time you probably wake up tomorrow morning as well. Here is our current temperature: 79 in Columbia, 75 in Charleston, 75 in Savannah, 79 inside of Myrtle Beach, as well as 82 in Bennettsville, 79 in Rock Hill, 79 Greenville, Anderson, Spartanburg, and Augusta. Here is our low temperatures for tonight. Low temperature 68 in Columbia, 68 in Moncks Corner, 72 in Charleston, 74 Hilton Head, 71 Myrtle Beach, 64 for Rock Hill, Spartanburg, 65 for Greenville and Anderson, as well 64 for Greenwood, Lawrence, as well 67 in Aiken. Here's our forecast precipitation for the next 24 or so hours. And you see that we still do have a chance to see some pretty heavy rainfall going into the next 24 hours. Obviously, most of this is probably moving at this point. So you can check it out around 1/4 of an inch for Spartanburg, 1/10 of an inch for Greenville, 1/4 of an inch for Charleston, 1 inch potentially for Georgetown, 1/4 of an inch for Myrtle Beach, 1/2 an inch for Dillon, Cheraw, and then 1/4 of an inch for Aiken and Barnwell as well. Here's our SPC outlook for today. We still are under that marginal risk. That could have been updated just now. We'll see. Let's check it out. Yeah, so that marginal risk of severe weather as well. That pretty much does come with just a wind and a hail threat with some of those storms that try to come down towards the coast near Myrtle Beach and Charleston as well. Tomorrow, just a TSTM, just a chance for some regular everyday thunderstorms down here in South Carolina for tomorrow. And then Sunday, we do have a marginal risk of severe weather for the upstate as well. So at this point, we're just gonna have to watch out for the potential for some severe storms, some thunderstorms going into this weekend. Here is the marginal risk of excessive rainfall for tonight as well. As we go into tomorrow, we do have a marginal risk of excessive rainfall that goes all the way from Charleston, North Charleston, Mount Pleasant, Summerville, all the way up to Ridgeville, then I-95 corridor, up into Fayetteville, Jackson, Wilmington, Myrtle Beach, all those places as well. The marginal risk of excessive rainfall is possible through there. Nothing for day 4, and dead thing for day 3, and nothing for day 5. So we're good with that. Here's our Hurricane Prediction Center. Look again, just a 10%. Low pressure is expected to form, and it's gonna pretty much go out to sea. Still pretty much the same thing as this morning and yesterday as well. So nothing really too much to update on that for. Let's go ahead and talk about the future. Actually, no. Let's go ahead and show the ARRR first. Just want to see when this rain will clear out. So here's the ARRR. Right here. We're going to go to the 18Z. And once we get to here, you can see, let's go to 10 o'clock. We do have some heavy thunderstorms. Seems to be maybe some hail damaging winds up here near Winnsboro, Chester, Rock Hill as well. And we even have some more storms popping up going to around 12 a.m. as well. Heavy rain, potentially even some heavy thunderstorms with, again, some more strong concerns for like the Myrtle Beach area, Conway, Georgetown region from at around 2 o'clock in the morning. That could push off as well. Some more downpours potentially starting up going into 6 a.m., 7 a.m. Here's 8 a.m. right here. More showers and more downpours popping up in western South Carolina. And then as we go into 11 a.m., most of the rain's gone. Just a couple of showers up here near Lawrence. And then we even have some more thunderstorms that tries to pop up going into tomorrow at 4 p.m., the main heating time of the day, 5 p.m., 6 p.m., and maybe even some strong storms getting on around 8 o'clock. Would not be surprised at all to see tomorrow us under a marginal risk just because of these storms right here. So, again, strong gusty wind could be possible with these as they move by. Same thing with hail as well. So, gonna have to watch out for that for tomorrow. So, I'm glad we did talk about that. Here is our future. I'm going ahead and go to the southeast. And here's our thing right here passing by, our system passing by. Once it's gone, the 28th is when most of the stuff is going to go away. And then once we get into the 30th as well, we do have just some showers passing by going into the 30th as well. And then Florida even getting some action with some recurring thunderstorms over and over and over again down there. All right. We even do have a line of showers moving through South Carolina as well. There goes this little storm that I was talking about, little fish storm right here. That's gonna be kind of gone out of our way, out of the hair. Again, not much. Gonna be weak. And then some more rain potentially going into June. Some thunderstorms maybe even into June as well. And then we have this heavy system right here that's going to try and pass by us going into June the 6th. This could potentially do something. We're a bit too far out to talk about it, but we'll talk about it some more in later outlooks, as later days, I guess. This is on like June the 7th. And that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and talk to our audience. We only have one chat today. Not a whole bunch of people in here today, but that's obviously fine. Just says my Nana who says hello, Jay. You're the only person inside the chat today, so you get the whole chat to yourself. And just says hello. So, just some special treatment. So here we're going back to the radar, and we're gonna go ahead and do our San Antonio forecast so we can get that done with for tonight. Back over here, we're gonna head push your way back. In terms of rain, not really seeing anything in terms of rain for the next 48 hours. And then in terms of temperatures, we're gonna turn on the little tool as well as we go into tonight. Lows are going to be around 80, 77, seems like 76, 75 maybe. Tomorrow highs around 95, 99, around there. Tomorrow night, lows around 76. And as we get into around 2 o'clock, highs around 98 going into your Sunday as well, around 2 o'clock. And that's it. So, we're going to go ahead and go back to South Carolina. I don't see any more questions inside the chat. I guess that's it for today. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the share button as well. We're still at 106. We're trying to see how far we can get into. We'll see how far we can get into. Until we can get to May the 31st. How many subscribers we can get, as well. But that's all that I have. In terms for today. Any type of thing. Oh my gosh, look at this. Hold on. My brother James says, "Hey Joseph, hey." So, first time he left a chat, my mom says, "Hi Joseph," as well. So, they decided to come in and say hello. Thank you for both of you for coming through to the stream. We only had one chat in here. Now we have y'all two coming in. Joseph is him. I am. You're right. You're right about it. You're right. So, that's it. If you guys, if you guys have any other chat as well, go ahead and leave them in. I'll be here for like another 5 minutes or so, and I will be back hopefully tomorrow morning. I'm not quite sure yet. We have Hi Joseph from Mr. Anthony. Hello to you. I will try to be here tomorrow morning. I'm not 100% positive. There was no video this morning, no forecast this morning, just because again something was going on with the internet at my house. We just hit 107, so we got another subscriber. So thanks to whoever just did that. And I think that's it. So that's it. So hopefully everyone has a fantastic Friday night. Hopefully has a great Saturday as well. And I will be back hopefully tomorrow morning with another forecast update. If not, tomorrow evening at 9 o'clock. Everyone have a fantastic Friday.